What's up, guys? It's Sean, aka Hyro1969. Wanted to do a really fast video. I'm kind of hoping that it gets a little bit of views on it. I'm not going to edit it, not going to go crazy with it. But for those of you that have a 01 to 06, I believe, Honda Civic, Honda Accord, Honda Pilot, any of those, and if you ever need to reset your radio code, or I should say if you ever have to unplug your battery, or if you ever needed to change a fuse or your battery dies or whatever, and you're trying to figure out what the code is for your Honda for your security so that you can log back into your radio, it's very simple. Open up your fancy dancy glove box here. Awesome. Open up the glove box. Right inside here, you're going to see a little 5-digit code. That's the code for your radio. So, let me just try and see if this theory works out right. The code is 356. Whoops. Error 2. Whoops. Come on. 35632. Bam! That was my second try. I had to do that. But that's where it is, guys. Right inside your glove box. A little sticker in here. I just got done doing an engine swap on this car. And of course, naturally, I had to disconnect the battery. So, anyways, I hope that this helps out somebody. If you guys have any problems or anything like that, or if it helped you out, by all means, make sure to leave a comment at the bottom so that everybody else knows, all my other subscribers and all the other viewers in the video. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And, oh yeah, as well as Snapchat. I'm a big Snapchatter. Hyro1969. Alright, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.